Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to download the Gacha game 100% free on your mobile. Excited to start your Gacha adventure? Let's dive in. First, grab your phone and open your browser. I'm using Chrome, but any browser works. Search Google for Gacha News. You'll see a site called gachanews.com. Tap on it. Once you're on the site, find the search box and type in GACHA EVOLUTION. Hit enter and click on the first post that pops up. Scroll down a bit and you'll see a shiny download button. Click on Gacha Evolution Android. You'll be redirected to a page with a MediaFire link. Tap on it and boom! Your download will start automatically. Once it's downloaded, install the game and get ready to immerse yourself in the Gacha world.